Hey guys, this is a Fix Mix Master again, trying to fix this lawnmower. It failed to start. So my suspicion is either the motor or the controller has failed. Uh, we have here two controllers, the silver ones you can see there. The first one here is to control the drive that allows you to assist pushing the motor when you're uh, mowing the lawn. So it's like a transmission. And the second controller here is to start the cutter blade on the bottom of the mower that cuts the grass. So my suspicion is that this guy has failed. Here is the model and the type of motor. If you have the same type on your system, you can test if the controller is good or not. To test this motor, if the controller is good, we need to test a probe in here and a probe in the power connector. So to test the three phases, the green, the yellow, and the blue, we need to put the probe in one of the phases, and then we need to connect the other side of the multimeter to either the black or the red. We need to test both with each phase, the black and red. So first I will test the black and we will see what resistance we have. If you can see there, the black to the blue, we have about 2.5, 2.67. So we have more than 1K of resistance. If we test the red to the blue, we have 0.2 ohms, which is out of spec for this motor. That's an issue. That tells us right away that this controller is no good. I'm going to test the yellow phase wire on the controller, and again we'll go on the red side first. And we can see we have 0.2 ohms, and the yellow to the black we have over 1K ohms. So that's telling me that again, with nothing on the red side, which is the power, the resistance is below 1K. Means the controller is bad. We'll test the green again, the black. You can see we have over 1K. I'll test it to the red. .1 ohms. Controller is bad. So here is my old motor controller, and this is my new motor controller. I will go ahead and test the connectors again to see the resistance. Connecting to the multimeter ohms to the black wire and the green controller phase wire, and we have over 2K ohms. Connecting it to the red wire, we have over 2K of ohms. Means the controller is good. In the previous controller we only had 1K 0.1 ohms on the resistance, telling us that the controller was bad.